YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Jonathan, and we are back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about why manifestation is no different from taking a piss. Now, with all that being said, let's get into the video. Now, I know that's a crazy ass title, but you have to hear me out. So the reason manifestation is no different from taking a piss is because you going to go take a piss is a godlike action. Like, nothing is stopping you from going to take that piss. And manifestation is the same exact way. You know for a fact you're going to go pee. You know you have to go pee. The urge for you going to go pee needs to be satisfied. So you're going to go fulfill that desire. Manifestation is the same exact way. The law of attraction is the same exact way. The only thing that's holding you back from experiencing that reality is your belief in yourself to experience that reality, bro. That's the only thing. There's no technique, no method outside of yourself that you have to do. You are the only thing you need in order to experience a different degree of reality. So if you say, I'm going to go do this thing, or I will experience this reality, it is no different from you actually going to go take a pee, or you going to go to the grocery store. You're going to go to the grocery store. Nothing is getting in your way, nigga. You can look in your reality. You can see the people around you that are experiencing what you want to experience and come to the conclusion that they are no more intelligent. They're not smarter than you. They're not like more capable than you. The only difference between them and you is your belief in experiencing that reality. That's it. So how you experience that reality is you get the identity traits and you just assume those traits onto yourself right now, right? It's belief based. It's identity based. This is why law of assumption is so important. This is why understanding as within, so without is so important. Because what you experience internally will 100% be reflected outwardly, because you have now embodied that new version of yourself. So it has no choice but to have a outward external manifestation. Like, it's a very streamlined process. The only issue is that you don't trust yourself enough to go fulfill the actions to experience that reality. And also, like, when you come across adversity, right, your perception of the circumstances in your life will reflect outwardly. If I perceive the situations and circumstances on the path to my desired reality as negative, I'm only going to experience that perception, because life is only experienced from perceptions, right? You can only experience reality from one identity. You can only experience reality from one perspective. So if your perception is out of alignment with what you want to experience, you will never experience that reality. And what creates a perception is belief in identity. This is why, like, self-concept, self-image is the most important thing in manifestation, because it's who you are at your deepest core internally. That is very important. Like, if I was trying to become a multi-billionaire, but internally I still dwelled and lack and not having any type of abundance and prosperity in my life, I'm only going to experience the reality where I don't have any type of abundance. Like, when you really become aware of that shit, you start to see in the past where you had your focus and awareness on, and that outwardly manifested into your reality, and you just experience that reality. Like, if you have a physical circumstance in your life right now that you're viewing, you can't change that shit, gang. But what you can change is yourself. You can change your perception on that event that happened to you. You can change your perception on the circumstance that happened to you, gang. Like, the world around you is waiting for your action. It's waiting for your awareness. Everything around us is still inanimate. We as conscious observers literally bring life to everything around us. Understand that shit. You even bring life to the body that you're inhabiting, gang. Your consciousness is literally animating your body right now, bro. Without your perception and consciousness, this body is just a sack of flesh. It goes right back to the earth after you die, gang. So use that shit to your advantage. Like, you see outward circumstances as something negative and something happening to you, but no, bro, you're happening to the circumstance. You're animating the circumstance that happened to you. The circumstance itself is neutral. Like, it just is. It just was. But based off of your perception of it, that is what you get out of that circumstance. That's what you get out of that event that happened to you. So this is why it's very important to always have a positive mind frame and mindset when you go into life and start doing things. When you start walking the path to your desired reality, you always have to see things as working in your favor, because when you see things working in your favor, you only get that reality, no matter what the fuck it is. Understand that shit, because all of this shit is a internal experience. It's a mental projection that you created, gang. So you get to observe your own mental projection any way you want to, no matter what everybody else outside of you says, because you created them anyways, gang. Like, the people in your life, you created them internally, bro. So you get to control how they respond to you and how you respond to them, because it's your life, it's your simulation, it's your video game, right? It's your movie that you get to control by yourself any way you want to. You can manipulate reality with your two hands that you are animating with your own consciousness and awareness. So make sure your identity is in alignment with what you truly want to experience, and also make sure that whatever you become aware of 24/7 is also in alignment with what you truly want to experience. Like, for example, if I have a low number in my bank account, if I perceive that low number as negative, if I let that number emotionally affect me to the point where I feel less of a human being, then I'm only going to reflect that insecurity back onto myself. I'm only going to reflect people, places, and things and circumstances that confirm the identity of me having financial lack. Understand that shit, bro. As within, so without. As above, so below. Yin and yang. This entire reality is based off of a dualistic concept, bro. There's always two to a pair. Understand that shit, gang. But you, as total awareness and oneness, since you're literally the entire show, you get to make the fucking rules, because you're God consciousness, gang. You're total awareness. So use it to your advantage, bro. Like, you see them, oh yes sir, they walking and shit. But yeah, bro, like, get out into nature, bro. Take care of yourself. Make sure you're giving yourself mentally the upper hand in every single situation, because that is your advantage. Most people aren't even doing that shit, bro. Most people aren't even aware of the fact that they have this power within. So it even now, bro, in today's society, it's becoming way easier to get what you want, because everybody else is just asleep. They are being programmed by the society around them, and they become victims of their own internal circumstances. But they don't realize that they could change that shit. They don't realize they have the power to change anything in their life that they want to, simply off of how they perceive it, simply off of their mental programming, their beliefs, their assumptions about their own reality. Who they are at their deepest core is being manifested back to them, and they're yelling at the mirror, they're yelling at the reflection. But you don't have to do that shit, gang. Like, life becomes way easier when you realize and take accountability for yourself, and understand that because I experienced this thing in my life, it's something within me that I failed to take care of, or I failed to become aware of, or I failed to shift. Understand that, and life becomes so much easier, bro. You can literally take over this shit when you really internalize that, and you become aware of the fact that everything is stemming from you. Everything is a reflection of your internal, gang. Understand that shit. If you want to know everything about manifestation, I have a 58-page free ebook where I teach you step by step how to manifest. Link in bio.